Hi everybody, Merry Christmas. This is Danny Claus here. And here comes Karen Claus.
Hello friends and family.
We're wishing everybody again a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. What we've got here is our stable of transportation vehicles to bring you goodies. So we hope you've been good little boys and little girls. By the way, got my Hero 2. This little thing has been watching you, videotaping you. It hears what you say, shows what you do. So hope you've been good, so you'll get your goodies too. By the way, New Year's Day, we're hoping to have a fun ride.
Weather permitting, of course.
So we're hoping everybody, all of our friends, Easy Rider and beyond and family, will be there to join us. So again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you all soon.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Bye-bye.